Welcome to another WakeNbake Recipes. In this video we are going to bake a smoky barbecue style Flammkuchen. Flammkuchen is very similar to pizza, but it's made without yeast. That's why the crust is very thin and crispy. Let's start with the ingredients. All-purpose flour, water, vegetable oil, salt, creme fraiche, smoky barbecue sauce, mushrooms, red and spring onion, and the last one, chorizo. Put your flour, salt, oil and water into a bowl and mix until all ingredients are well mixed. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. When everything is well mixed, you can start mixing fast for around 6 minutes. As you can see, my dough is smooth and extensible. This is very important and makes it easier to flatten the dough. Take a small bowl and dust some flour in it. This will prevent the dough from sticking. Then shape your dough round, cover it and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we have the time to cut our vegetables and prepare the smoky barbecue sauce. Creme fraiche and barbecue sauce is a great combination. Mix it together until it looks smooth. After 15 minutes, it's time to flatten the dough. Your dough might be a little sticky, so it's better to use some flour. I'm using my rolling pin to flatten the dough. This way you can make the dough very thin, and that's what you want to get a nice and crispy Flammkuchen. Now we can divide the mixture onto the dough. And then put your chorizo on top of it. Followed by mushrooms, and some red onion. Now it's ready to bake. After baking, I like to finish my Flammkuchen with some spring onion. Thank you for watching. Did you like this recipe? Let me know and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.